Ready?
Yes.
It's competition time. That's it. Whoops. That didn't go on the ground, did it?
No.
What? Oh no! Ryan, quick! 5 second rule. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Yep, that's it.
Oh my god. No egg.
Yep, just 1 egg. Crack that in. Good work. Now you need 1 cup each of the breadcrumbs. Good job, Ryan. Got your rag. That's it. Tip that in. Mix it up. All right, up to the line. Yep. Only up to the line, okay? Then you've got to stop. Is it on the line? Good job, mate. And then you got to mix it up. That's it. Mush it up a bit.
Yep.
So it's all mushed into the potato. And then give it a good stir. That's it. No, it's not a ball. Every time.
Wait. They.
What?
They.
Hold your bowl. Hold your bowl. Hold your bowl. Or not? All right. I'm holding on. What's going on here? You got it?
Oh.
Good job, Locky. Remember, you got to wet your hands. That's good. Squish it, Ryan.
Like this, right? You go like this.
That's it. Dip it in the egg. Need more breadcrumbs.
I might.
I'll have a look in a sec.
I might just want to
That's it, Raro.
like 3 more.
Yep, squish it a little bit in both hands. Good job. Good job, Ramo.
Alright. What was that?
No, right. Gentle. You gotta go gentle. Squeeze gentle.
Oh, that's it.
And then you gotta roll him around. No. You gotta. Now you gotta put it on this side. Then you gotta go like this. Are you gonna make 1 more? And then sprinkle them on. Go like this, right? Watch Locky. Yeah. And then flip him over. You're gonna make 1 more.
That's it. Squish him like that. Squish.
Squish, squish, squish. Now put him in the egg.
Alright.
And then pick him up and then put him on the other side. Pick it up. Oh. And then flip him over. No, on there. Flip him over. Flip him over, Ryan. Yeah.
That'll work.
That'll work.
That will work.
That'll work.
All right, put some crumbs on it. That's a tiny one. That's definitely a mini potato jam, that one. Alright, turn it back on.
My mom.
Yep. You right? You got some tongs, Ryan?
No. Oh, that was a Jack.
You gonna share with Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put one in Jack's bowl. Oh, not yet, because they're probably too hot. We'll give him one in a minute.
I'll get sauces.
Alright, are you having sauce, Ryan?
Hang on. Whoa, that's just sauce, Mum.
Yeah, you got some sauce? Oh, thanks, Locky. Alright. I'm going to give him a taste test.
It's fine.
Whoa. Look at that, Mum.
Yeah.
Fine, massive potato gems.
Clean up the toast jam and send you that.
Massive potato gems. That's what we're calling them.
Right, and this one's.
What do you reckon, Ryan? It's a bit hot.
No, the sauce.
Mm.
They're not even that
Oh, I
hot.
bet they're good.
Mm. Is it good?
Good.
Yeah.
You getting the thumbs up? Yep. What about yours, Ryan? Do they get a thumbs up? Good job.